So I ended up blowing up my water pump. Then I ended up doing that because some jackass cut me off in the Foxbody. And next thing you know, I'm revving my engine at him. Fuck you, Devin. If you're ever watching this, I'm still pissed about that, you fuck. And he goes and cuts me off. And next thing you know, I'm in the fucking back of him, revving my shit at him. As I was saying, I blew up my water pump. I get back to work, I check it. It's leaking all over the place. I think it's my power steering. And then next thing you know, I see all kinds of green liquid falling from the fucking crank where my water pulley sits right above it. And so let me remind you, about a week prior I ordered my steering rack, so I was totally unprepared for this. It sat outside my job. I got my water pump ripped out and put in within the same day. It took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours probably. Shout out to Junior and shout out to Dre. I appreciate y'all help. Y'all helped me a lot. Bro, she is dripping power steering fluid all over the fucking ground. Sheesh. Holy fuck. The map. The map. The map. I don't know what to do about this. This is what happens when you work at Carvana and they fucking lock up all your tools. Can't go inside. Fucking yeah, can't even use them. You gotta resort to being a Mexican.
Scanning for Mexicans. Ah! We've got a Mexican!
Damn, boy. You ever re-threaded with a fucking razor blade before? Damn, that's fucking crazy. Let me see. Brought it back, boy. Can I try? Get Junior shaking his head. He's a fucking geek. You're getting it though. Yeah, I finally got a system. Now that I fucking did it. Like a fucking goddamn caveman. This is right here, caveman threading. That boy Joey said, "Do you smoke?" I'm like, yeah, dude. Of course I smoke. Just can't smoke right now. Because of this shit, bro. If I would have been fucking baked, I would have been like, yeah, fuck this. Yeah, I would have been taking forever, fucking doing the most. I'm blind! Oh shit, I'm blind, man! What's up, man? Hey, blind! I probably would have broke something.
Probably like that on the inside too, bro.
Fuck, yeah. Fuck. No! 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 No, 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 no! Wait! Wait! That's crazy. Oh, it was threaded. Yes. Holy fuck, I did the wrong side, boys. This is a totally different side.
Bro, you're still gonna have to do the other shit anyway, bro.
Oh my god. Oh! You should have to do it. It's all Junior. You did anything to your car? Your Jeep?
I got what?
You did anything to it? Like maintenance wise?
Change the balancer, the compressor. That's it for now.
Oh yeah. She ain't going nowhere now. She's fucking great. Fucking party. She's all clean and ready to mingle. Mm-hmm. Son of a bitch. Why do I gotta fucking do this shit? Almost fucked up again.
Little 360 POV for you mofos.
Last one. It's the cooler. Gatorade. H2O. Gatorade.
H2O. We're gonna need some H2O after this shit.
Yeah.
Gatorade.
H2O.
I'm gonna stop by 7-Eleven, 7-Eleven skis.
What the fuck?
Bro, that's fucked, bro.
It was going in and it fucking stopped because of all that shit.
Damn.
Fuck's sakes.
More and more guns just keeps coming off.
Yeah, but it's sinking deeper, so it's working.
Do these bitches have to be torqued now?
I ain't fucking twerking this shit. Fuck the spec, I'm the spec now.
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
Look at that shiny ass water pump, boys.
Little dirty ass
you know
line.
how I got that done? My boy Junior was there. That's how I got it done.
He had all the tools.
And guess what my dumb ass had? Nothing.
Literally.
Guess what I brought to the party? Ratchets. Junior's like, I got a mobile shot. What you need, boy? What you need, boy? Shoot. I got a
legit
jag.
had
I got a
everything.
creeper. I got a prop art.
Fucking Junior.
Fucking bugs.
I know, I keep feeling them too.
Crawling all over me.
Get off!
God damn, you made me have a cramp in my back. Ah! Look at, you know a boy who's ambidextrous?
Me?
Your boy Fred?
Oh shit. Hell
It's all
yeah.
crooked.
Oh look, you didn't even need to take a picture.
Oh fuck, it's still there.
Yeah.
That's about the only thing still fucking there on this car. Everything's fucking taking a shit. Here we go. Jesus. What would I do without you, Junior? I would have been fucked with that bolt alone right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That shit, I had to pull it out with the fucking pry bar, and now I gotta push it back in with the pry bar. They didn't have this in the YouTube tutorial.
Hell no.
They indeed did not have this in the YouTube tutorial, gang mofos.
Be like, get you a junior.
Get you a junior. Ladies, you looking for a good man? Junior.
What's your number? No.
Junior's all taken. Sorry, bitches.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got a whole fucking.
Junior's about to be a married man.
Yeah.
Just like old Fred boy over here.
You have any kids yet?
Bro.
Maybe, bro.
I don't want to do this
Beep,
no
beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. My boy's a mobile mechanic. Holy fuck, dude, that was a mission. That shit smells good, dude.
That smell like.
I smell like bacon in the morning, boy.
Oh.
Oh. She didn't know what the fuck. That was good enough. Clean her up with a fucking, I don't know. What the hell am I doing? I'm jumping ahead, dude. Dudes.
Getting all excited.
Fuck, I should have did the goddamn hose when I had them out. Damn it. Why'd I do this to myself? Fucking poking out. Stuff it back in, it pokes out. There we go. That was fucking nice. Well, we got some good meat.
What do you mean by that?
What a good Juneteenth, huh?
Oh yeah.
Work on the Foxbody with the boys.
Right
Not
after
to mention
work.
we're in, yeah, we're in the work parking lot.
Sheesh.
And we did dispose of the coolant properly. It was thrown on site. Oh, fuck.
He said I was so unprepared. I didn't bring shit.
Yeah, I didn't bring shit.
Alright. Oh.
Oh. Release. Fucking lease.
What Flip did not know was that he was in for a serious rude awakening.
Oh. You okay, bro? Boyfriend?
You know when a kid comes behind you and hits you in your funny bone?
Or kicks you in your.
I just elbowed the fuck out of this pulley into my funny bone. Ow!
Moment of silence.
Yeah, moment of silence, please. And we keep it moving. Ah! Ah! I should have scrapped that guy today.
Fucking tired of this. Fuck this shit.
Fuck him. I should have fought myself. Oh! Okay, let's do this.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So here she is. We got the water pump in here. She's all good to go. There's the water pump, Izzy. Nice and shiny in there. She ain't leaking no more. Them were the two hoses we had trouble with. Forgot to put them on while I had everything loose. But you can see the power steering in there. That'll be in another video. Very nice, very nice. She's coming around. Don't worry about my wire holding shit over right there. Get you another shot. See? Brand new power steering. Brand new power steering. She turns way better. Handles way better. Be on the lookout next Sunday for the next video. Peace.